students, today I am going to taking examples on differentiation. That is the according to new syllabus of 2020-21. For paper second, first chapter is differentiation and first topic is differentiation of composite function. Belonging this, taking first exercise and type third as derivative of composite function. We solve these examples one by one. Now first example of this type 3 as x square plus 4x plus 1 bracket cube plus x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket raised to 4. We have to differentiate this with respect to x. Our instruction for this type as differentiation with respect to x. For this first we take that function as y. So for that function as y, so we take let y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 1 bracket raised to 3 plus x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket raised to 4. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So to take derivative of the function y with respect to x, for left side that derivative becomes dy by dx. For right side, first we take here addition of two functions is given, so we apply rule for addition u plus v, and therefore first take dy by dx of x square plus 4x plus 1 bracket raised to 3 plus dy by dx of x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket raised to 4. For right side we apply derivative of the composite function by using the chain rule, as we consider this bracket function is x raised to 3. So use first formula for derivative of algebraic function as x raised to n. So that becomes n times x raised to n minus 1. According to this rule, we can take 3 times x square plus 4x plus 1 bracket raised to 2. Now we take here only first step by taking the rule for x raised to n. But this function is related to find derivative, so we can multiply derivative of x square plus 4x plus 1. Now for second function, again by using same rule, we have to find derivative of x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket raised to 4 by using same rule as 4 times x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket raised to 3. Again by using chain rule, multiplying the derivative of this base, that is x cube minus 5x minus 2. Now for last step we can take this first function 3 times x square plus 4x plus 1 bracket raised to 2, multiplying derivative of this. Now for this bracket again we apply rule for addition u plus v plus w. We take by rules according to 11, derivative of x square 2x and derivative of 4x 4 and derivative of constant, that is 0. So we write this step here directly as derivative of x square 2x, derivative of 4x 4 and derivative of 1 is 0. We cannot write this, that is as it is. Now second term 4 times x cube minus 5x minus 2 raised to 3, multiplying derivative of this bracket. Derivative of this bracket, for this we take again derivative of x cube by using same rule x raised to a, that becomes 3x square minus 5 and derivative of minus 2 becomes again 0. So this is the law of derivative of 1 with respect to x divided by dx. Here we apply u plus v for this, giving the examples as u upon v, u into v. You know this rule again in 11th standard by using this rule or previous exercise. We saw that example. Now we take next example to find derivative of log of 3x plus tan 3x. Now for this again we take that function is y. Let y is equal to log of say 3x plus tan 3x. This type of question is Now in a question paper of 2020, March 2020 for 2 marks. For this case we take here again y is a special type of function that is log. Now we take here first by using rule of composite function. First function is log and its number is here trigonometric function. So first we find derivative of log. After this we can find derivative of sec 3x and tan 3x. So first step again differentiation on both sides with respect to x. So derivative of y with respect to x is divided by this. For right side, we take derivative of this log. Here we can write this divided by x directly by using this rule. We take here derivative of first log directly as we take third type for the exercise and therefore you write first step directly. Finding derivative of log is 1 upon sec of 3x plus tan 3x. Multiply. Now we find derivative of this log function but this bracket function remains to find derivative. Therefore we take here multiplication of d by dx of sec 3x plus tan 3x. So value of this as 1 upon sec 3x plus tan 3x is multiplied with derivative of these two functions. So for this case we write derivative of these two functions. What is derivative of 3x? As derivative of 3x is sec derivative of sec 3x is sec 3x into tan 3x and derivative of tan 3x that is sec, here we take derivative of sec 3x but by using rule of composite function we multiply derivative of 3x again and therefore here multiply d by dx on 3x plus tan 3x, derivative of tan 3x is sec square 3x and again then we can multiply derivative of 3x whole divided by sec 3x plus tan 3x. Now for numerator we can take sec 3x into tan 3x multiply derivative of 3x. You know that the derivative of 3x is again 3 and here same case sec square 3x is multiplied to derivative of 3x but derivative of 3x is again 3. So from this both we take 3 times sec 3x into tan 3x plus 3 times sec square 3x whole divided by sec 3x plus tan 3x. Now from numerator we can take 3 times sec 3x term as a common factor. So that becomes 3 times sec 3x after taking common factor. Even terms in the bracket tan 3x. One of the sec remains here sec 3x. Whole this bracket is divided by sec 3x plus tan 3x. So this division for this here numerator contains tan 3x plus sec 3x in the multiplication form. Same term and denominator sec 3x plus tan 3x. That both can be cancelled to each other and the final answer becomes 3 times sec 3x. This is value of divided by dx. So divided by dx is equal to 3 times sec 3x. Now we take next example again for the same type log of 3x. Log of root of 1 minus cos 3x upon 1 plus cos 3x. For this case, we can use again rule of logarithm. But before this, by using previous example, we take first again the derivative of log, again find derivative of this root, again find derivative of these two functions by using u upon v. So that becomes lengthy process. For this case, we can use your trigonometric identities for 1 minus cos 3x and 1 plus cos 3x. As 1 minus cos 3x by using angle formula, triple angle formula or half angle formula. 1 minus cos 3x is nothing but the result of 2 times sin square 3x by 2. So first we take again that function as 1. Y is equal to log of under root of 1 minus cos 3x upon 1 plus cos 3x. We take here result directly as y is equal to log under root of 1 minus cos px is equal to 2 times sin square 3x by 2. हाँ पहले फॉर्मूला same case for 1 plus cos x you can write that is as 2 times cos square pentacle of 3x by 2 and here that is complete. So first we take simplification for this. These 2 is cancelled out. In the under root sign ratio as sin square 3x by 2 divided by cos square 3x by 2. But sin square upon cos square, you know that is the identity. That ratio becomes root of tan square 3x by 2. You may use here array method as this square and this square can be cancelled out. Sin 3x by 2 upon cos 3x by 2, or you may take that step as under root of tan square 3x by 2. So square root and square can be cancelled. At this stage we get simplification of y log of only tan 3x by 2. So our function is given which is log of tan of 3x by 2. Now we take here its differentiation by writing differentiation on both sides with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to x dy by dx. By using previous example, we take derivative of log 1 upon tan 3x by 2 according to chain rule or derivative of composite function. Once we can find derivative of log, now we take next, that is multiplying derivative of tan 3x by. Now for this we take dy by dx is equal to, this is 1 upon tan 3x by 2. After this we take derivative of tan 3x by 2. You know derivative of tan 3x by 2, that is sec square 3x by 2. And then we take here multiplication directly, sec square 3x by 2. Divide term tan 3x by 2 remains as it is. Now again derivative of 3x by 2. After this, once we find derivative of tan, after this we find derivative of 3x by 2. That is only 3 by 2. So this can be divided by tan 3x by 2, and lastly we can multiply derivative of 3x by 2 is 3 by 2. Now we take here simplification for us. Using the result, sec square 3x by 2, sec square 3x by 2 is 1 upon cos square 3x by 2, and 1 upon tan means cot. One of the cosine term is cancelled out here, and again by taking result of 2, we can take 2 times here, 1 term is remains sin 3x by 2 divided by 1 of the cos 3x by 2, and 2 times sin 3x by 2 into cos 3x by 2. We use that result for double angle of sin x. So that term becomes, for the simplification of this, as dy by dx is equal to 1 upon tan 3x by 2. We can write this as cot or cot 3x by 2 is cos 3x by 2 upon sin 3x by 2. Now multiplying sec square 3x by 2, so meaning of this 1 upon cos square 3x by 2, and lastly multiplying 3 by 2. So you can write this as. So for this case we take as simplification this 1 of the cos 3x by 2 cancel with this 1 of the cos 3x by 2 for denominator. Now bring this term for denominator, 2 times sin, suppose this is theta, into cos theta. 2 times sin theta into cos theta is the double angle formula for sin. So we take that value becomes 2 times sin of double angle of 3x by 2 means doublet, that is 3x by 2 into 2, that is only 3x. So that result becomes 3 times sin 3x, or you may write that is 3 times cosec 3x. So this is the term divided by dx, or derivative of the function log of under root of 1 minus cos 3x upon 1 plus cos 3x.